Good day, viewers. I'm delighted to have you on board. I'm Emmanuel Nadi from the Marketing Department of Lutetra Healthcare Limited. Today we commemorate the World Mental Health Day, which is held on the 10th of October every year. On this day, we try as much as possible to raise awareness about mental health issues around the world and equally mobilize support on mental health. This day is equally an avenue and opportunity for stakeholders working on mental health issues to talk about their work and what needs to be done to make mental health a reality for all. And there are a lot of factors that causes mental health, which ranges from bereavement, unemployment, loneliness, drug abuse, and the likes of them. Now, the effects of mental disorder could also be depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia and other psychosis, dementia, autism, and what have you. Now, the good news is this: for every challenge, there is a possible solution. Now, the solutions could come in form of you trying as much as possible, number one, to talk about your feelings. Now, talking about your feelings help you to stay in good mental health. Talking about your feelings is not a sign of weakness. It is you trying as much as possible to keep your health or your mental health in check. Also, try as much as possible to exercise. Exercises releases a chemical into your brain that makes you stay in good mental health. It also helps to make you stay healthy as a person. Also, try as much as possible to eat well. And there's a strong link between what you eat and how you feel. So a strong mixture of balanced diet helps your brain or your mental health to function well. Also, try as much as possible to drink sensibly. Now, a lot of people drink because they want to have a change of mood. But unfortunately, when the drink wears off, you feel worse than before. So drinking is not the best way to attack depression. Also, try as much as possible to keep in touch with families and friends. They can also help you to manage stress or depression. You can also ask for help when you're facing a difficult challenge or situation. You can talk to your friends, you can talk to families, you can talk to professionals who would help you to manage those challenges or difficulties. Now, you can also take break. Now, taking break helps you to relax your nerves, to relax your system. It helps you feel better and think better. Now, when it comes to medical treatment for mental disorder, there are certain ethical drugs which have undergone highly meticulous clinical trials and well approved by NAFDAC for these patients. From the stable of Lutetra Healthcare Limited, we have our dependable brand of aripiprazole, which of course is acute. It is indicated for schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, major depression, autistic disorder, agitation associated with schizophrenia and bipolar disorder, and of course obsessive compulsive disorder. Now, some of its benefits is it has less side effect profile, which of course is weight gain, blood sugar level, lipid, as compared to olanzapine. More effective than placebo in preventing relapse in patients with acute relapse of schizophrenia. Lower propensity for extrapyramidal symptoms. On this day, I enjoy you all to join the world in creating awareness about mental issues. Always remember to keep your health in check because your health is your priority. Think health, think Lutetra.